In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attendance register in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by setting up a simple, reliable structure that's easy to update day after day. Open a new workbook and think of the sheet as a grid where each row represents a person and each column represents a date. In the top left corner, reserve a header like name or ID. Then, across the first row to the right, type the dates you want to track, one date per column. Keep the date format consistent so your sheet stays clean and readable. Down the first column, list all the names or index numbers you need to monitor. Unique and consistent entries will help you avoid confusion later. Next, decide how you want to mock attendance. You have two good options. For a quick and lightweight approach, type letter codes directly in the cells under each date, such as P for present and A for absent. This is fast, easy to type on any device, and works great with counting formulas. If you prefer a more interactive sheet, you can use checkboxes so that each cell can be ticked for present. Behind the scenes, checkboxes evaluate to true or false, which also works well for formulas. Choose the one that fits your style or your team's habits. Now choose where you want to see the result. Click a cell where you want a total count of attendance, for example, at the end of a person's row to show their total presence for the month, or at the bottom of a dates column to show class attendance for that day. Type the formula by starting with equals, then countif, followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, select the range of cells you want to evaluate. That might be the row of marks for a single person across all dates, or a column of marks for a single date across all people. Make sure your selection covers only the cells you actually use for attendance. Add your criteria. Type a comma, then the value you want to count. If you're using letter codes, put the letter inside double quotes like P. If you're using checkboxes, you can count true values without quotes. This tells Excel exactly what you want it to look for in that range. Finish by closing the parenthesis and pressing Enter. You should see the total appear immediately. If the number doesn't look right, double check for extra spaces or inconsistent entries in your marks. With this setup, you now have a clear, trackable attendance register in Excel that's easy to maintain and extend as your needs grow.